Hi there, welcome to unboxing of Godox M1. My name is Deepak. Let's get started. So I ordered mine from Amazon. It took 2 days to get delivered. So Godox is offering 1 year warranty in India on M1 Lite. Let's have a look what is inside the box. There are some quality check card, manual and warranty papers. And then here comes the Godox Lite itself. Let's keep it aside and see what else is there in the box. Godox M1 Lite comes with a Type-C USB cable for charging. It also comes with a cold shoe mount and a wrench. Cold shoe mount is very useful to mount the light on your camera. The wrench can be used to loose or tight the hinge on the Godox M1. In the third box there is a carry pouch made of stretchable cloth. Now let's look at the Godox M1. This one is housed in a metallic grey aluminum body and it feels premium. On the top there is an on-off switch and a USB Type-C port for charging. On the back there is a Godox branding and some product and certification information as well. The light has square shaped CCT LED and circular RGB LEDs and a reflector on the top. On the other side you will get 2 dials and 1 mode switch button. Dial 1 can increase or decrease the brightness, whereas dial 2 can change the hue and saturation. The mode button allows you to switch between 3 modes. Here comes the best part of the Godox M1, that is the hinge for mounting. It has a 1/4 inch thread on all sides that allow you to use the light in any direction. You can use the hinge as the stand also to keep the light on a flat surface. Now let's get deeper into the menus and operation of Godox M1. The first mode which is selected is CCT, that is also called correlated color temperature. This Godox M1 offers you to select the color temperature from 2500 Kelvin to 8500 Kelvin. The second multifunction dial which you can use to increase or decrease. So if you press it down, you can increase the temperature number in Kelvin and reach to 8500 Kelvin, and that is a cool light. On the other side, if you go up, you can make the light warmer. The upper dial can be used to increase the brightness level. As you can see, rotating up is decreasing the brightness and rotating down will increase the brightness. This light has a CRI rating of 97. Anything above 80 is considered very good. CRI is a measure that shows how a light source displays the color accurately. Pressing the mode button will change the mode and take you to the HSL mode, where H stands for hue, S is saturation and L is lightness, which is in this case we are talking about brightness. Currently you can see that H hue is set to 319 degree and showing you the purple color. Hues represent different colors on color wheel and always shown in degrees from 0 to 360 degree. If you look at the display parameter, there is a circle showing different colors and the numbers written in degree. Those numbers are actually telling you that to achieve a particular color, what approximate number in degrees that you need to dial in to achieve that color. Between the two numbers, you will get the shades of those colors. When I use the multifunction dial and press it down, I increase the degrees, and that's how I change the color. Now you can see the color is moving. So after 360 I reach to 0 and now I am at 14 degree, which is showing me the orange color. So this is how it works. You can continuously rotate the dial and achieve different color, and if you want to go very specific precisely, then you can just tap up or down on the button, multifunction button, or you can press and hold to change the number. So this is how you can achieve different colors. Now to adjust the saturation, just press the multifunction button and the arrow moves from H to S. Now you can slide up or down the multifunction button to change. So if I am sliding up, I am changing the saturation, and now you can see the color is going towards gray. If I press it down, I can add more color to the selected hue and I can make it more vibrant. So this is how you can change the saturation. Now let's look at FX situational special effect mode that has 40 kinds of different mode. Currently I am at moving from 1 to 15. You'll see number from 1 to 15. Each mode has 3 different speed limits, except 14 and 15. Those doesn't have anything. Those are SOS and strong light for 60 seconds. So these special effects allows you to select from different color lights, recycle, flash, laser color lights, lightning, broken bulb, TV, etc, etc. Currently I am at 5, which is a broken bulb lightning. So here you can, what you can do, that you can select it and it like flickers if a broken bulb, how a broken bulb behaves. So if you like to have such kind of effects in your video, so you can use that. Next is a TV that actually replicate the blue light from coming from TV. So you can select and you can change the mode. Currently showing mode 1, I can jump to 2 and 3. So the intensity increases as I increase the number. The 7 is a candlelight, so you can select this to replicate the effect of candlelight in your videos. Now 8th is a fire effect where you can replicate the bonfire kind of lightning effect in your videos. Obviously you can adjust the brightness and the intensity by pressing multifunction dial will allow you to change the intensity, and the dedicated dial which is for brightness that you can use to increase or decrease the brightness. You must have got the idea how these modes are working and what are the options or dedicated buttons given for.